Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so 2018, I want to try some new trends out, and one of the first trends I've been seeing everywhere is the ultraviolet purple eye. And so I wanted to do something that was very wearable with purple, and if you pair it with a new lip, I think it looks really nice. As you can see, my lip is still weird. Like, I was told by my injectionist that I was basically going to have to live with it. There's nothing she could do, and I haven't been anywhere else because I just don't want to spend the money. But this lip is not my natural lip, obviously, and so I'm trying to let some of the Juvederm wear off and some of the Botox that I got in my chin. But anyways, enough of that. I just had to throw that in there because it's really bothering me, and I don't want it to throw people off when they're watching me. But if you want to see this purple, like this ultraviolet purple smokiness that I have going on in my eyes, then just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so the first shade that I'm going in with is by Makeup Geek. These are all Makeup Geek shadows, and this one is Petal Pusher, and it's basically just like a matte soft pink color, and I'm just putting that like right above my crease and just blending that halfway in. And then I'm going in with the shade FAIRYTALE. This is at like a matte lilac purple, and I just wanted a little bit more of a transition from the pink and down to like our ultraviolet color. So I'm just using a light lilac purple color, and I'm just basically blending that over top. Now I'm packing in the shade Duchess. This is a darker, deeper purple. I'm just packing that into like the outer third of the eye, and by pushing it down, it makes it the payoff a lot better, because purple shadows are kind of hard to work with, and so I like just pack it down for like more intensity. Okay, now I'm using my finger and using the shade CAITLYN Rose. This is just like the most vibrant purple. And even like the pan doesn't even look quite like the color when you use your finger and put it on. You see what I'm saying? Like, look at the pan and look at how it looks on my eye. You see the difference? Like, it just has like such a pretty payoff. Okay, now I'm going in with the shade Daydreamer and just packing that on my inner corners. I just thought that would be like a cute pop of color to go along with the purple. Now that's my reveal. Doesn't that look good? Like, purples are hard to do. Like, they're hard to make look natural, you know, like not natural, but you know, like wearable. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of hard to work with them. Okay, now I'm going in with the shade White Lies and just popping that over like right underneath my brow and just giving it that kind of vibrant pop. Alright, now I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. We all know that this is my favorite foundation in the world. See how lovely that applies? I mean, I can just buff that in and it looks so natural, and it's got this glow to it, but I don't get too oily throughout the day. It's just like the most perfect foundation, and I always go back to it. I kind of need to venture out and find something else. Okay, and now I'm going in with the Urban Decay concealer, and I think I'm using the shade Fair Neutral here, and I'm just packing that in. I'm using the same brush. I have been doing this lately because it's so much easier, and it doesn't shear it out as much as my beauty blender does, but I'm just packing it down. And if you pack it and don't push it, like don't swipe it, just pack it down, and that works so good. See how it's just pressed right into the skin? It just looks so natural and flawless. Now I'm changing my powder up today. I'm going with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores, and I will tell you that I got a little bit more oily after using this powder, but I do like it because it's very translucent. Alright, now, you know what? The reason I'm greasy, I bet it's from this butter bronzer, because it's a little bit more moisturizing, and the color payoff is not as good as some other ones, but it is a very natural looking bronzer. And so I like that one, but it's not my favorite. But I bet that's why I'm oily, because of that bronzer. I just thought of that. Okay, now I wanted the most neutral blush I could really think of with a pink undertone, so I'm using the MAC Melba blush, and that was one of those OGs. Now I'm going in with the Becca Moonstone highlight. I had to think about it because I couldn't remember if it was Moonstone or Opal, but it is Moonstone. And so I'm just packing that all around my eye. I just really want to shine on that side. And now I'm going in with the Jouer liquid lip, and this is in the shade Bear, and I just thought that would be like the perfect nude shade. Now I'm just going back in with that dark purple, and that's that Duchess shade, and I'm just packing that into the lower lash line, and that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm just packing it in.
And if you push it in, it doesn't look as good as when you like go back and forth like I'm doing. I think that look works better. Okay, now I'm going back in with FAIRYTALE and just basically wanted to smoke it out with the purple a little bit, and that's pretty much all that is. Alright, now I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. This is one of my favorites. I like that little tip on the end. It's got that little prickly tip on the end. I like that. Alright, now I'm just going to go ahead and pack on Milk Cosmetics Sext lipstick right in the middle of my lips, just to give it that, makes them look bigger when you put that light color in between. And now I'm going in with Candy Kiss by Gerard Cosmetics. I really like their glosses.
Alright guys, this is my final look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to leave me a like on this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.